got this question and I thought at first, I don't understand why they're asking this question, but then I reminded myself, I don't need to understand. Someone has a question, they want help, I'm going to try to help. How can I open an untitled tab in Google Chrome? Now, I'm going to show you how to do that from my perspective, and I'm hoping I'm answering the question this person is putting to me. First of all, I'm in Google Chrome, I'm a big Chrome user, and please do not judge me by the number of tabs I have open. I'm addicted to having tabs open, and that's not even the big issue. I have 4 different profiles, all with their own sets of tabs. Again, 100% Google Chrome guy. How can I open an untitled tab in Chrome? Well, I went to a website, and I looked at a list on a website, and I clicked on a page that was listed on that website, and I opened this. I don't know what it is. This page is password protected. I got to put a password to get on it. I don't even know what the website is. It doesn't make any difference, but the bottom line is, look right here. If I hover over the tab, look up here in the right-hand corner. If I hover, it's Untitled Page, which is basically an untitled tab. Because untitled, a tab is nothing more than a page anyway. How do I open it? I found it on the internet and I clicked on it and opened it. And it's an untitled page. Now, just because it's untitled doesn't mean I can't do anything with it. I opened it and I looked at it. I found it on the internet. I can bookmark it, click on the little star right there. Bookmark added, I can edit it, and I can give it a name. See, it's named Untitled Page. I can call it This Page I Found on the Internet. If I spelled it right. Internet. And I can save it again or done. It's the same thing as save it. I'm going to put it under home. Let me put it under choose. I'm going to put it under home. Save. Get rid of it. Oh my golly, it's gone. I want to bring it back. Fortunately, I bookmarked it. So I can hit the tab, open up a new tab. Notice it says new tab, which is blank. And I can go to home. I can go all the way to the bottom. This page I found on the internet. Boom. And I brought it back. An untitled tab is nothing more than a page on a website that doesn't have a title. And furthermore, the website doesn't even have a title. If this would have been anything different, like that the website had a name, then when I hover over that, I wouldn't necessarily just see Untitled Page. I'd also see the website's name. Look here, when I hover over this, not only do I see the page name, which is Answers, but after the colon, Live Conversations with Teddy Burris is the name of the website. Untitled Page is nothing more than a page on a website that does not have a title. As long as you can get to the URL right here, you can treat it like any other page on the internet. I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace and Gmail dude. I hope I've answered your question.